Magazine, Russian publishing house, has issued a new type of electronic textbooks included in the educational set for a course on algebra for secondary school, edited by Professor Martkovich. The course has been created with the use of InMA software. The electronic textbook is a library of interactive files for each mathematical topic of the course based on interactive graphics. It allows students and teachers creating any interactive configuration and changing it in order to examine an important element, check its property, and study its transformation. The text of this electronic textbook has the interactive formula. A user may change the parameters of the problem or the equation, which can be easily modified by making them more or less complicated, thus highlighting certain aspects. InMA electronic textbook provides interactive help, interactive algorithms, interactive dictionaries, a methodical text for a teacher, and a methodical text for a student, with the recommendations for individual work. InMA electronic textbook includes the methodical recommendations which help a teacher to plan and give the lesson at school. In this class, we can see a teacher giving the lesson with the use of a figure from the file of InMA electronic textbook shown on the screen. The teacher may manage the image on the screen using a notebook and a projector, while sitting at the farthest desk in the classroom. She is asking her students about the properties of the function graph, and after the students answer her question, she may show them the information from the electronic textbook keys to check the answers. The information can be shown on the screen. The most important advantage of InMA electronic textbook is that every teacher may use them the way they want and the way they find it convenient for themselves. The way should be proper to their own manner of giving lessons. For example, this teacher is explaining a new topic near the blackboard, and we can see that she is using both the board and the screen with an interactive file from InMA electronic textbook. One of the best students is helping his teacher to give a lesson, controlling the computer. This teacher is explaining a theme from the trigonometry, that is the construction of the function graph, the equation of which contains the sin function. While explaining this topic, the teacher should show the transformation of the trigonometric function to his students. This function is one of the most challenging and most difficult to understand and imagine in the course of school maths. The teacher is also using both the blackboard and the screen, and one of the students is helping the teacher to control the computer. The teacher is saying that the lessons with the use of InMA electronic textbook have become more interesting, more vivid, and they help develop in students their imagination and knowledge, and they are quite useful to enable their better understanding of mathematics.